Finally, yesterday we found resistance, and where we found it, basically it was exactly the level which I was showing to you days in advance, basically. And I was telling you that this consolidation is a resistance, and what we can do is pull our fixed range tool from where it started till the end, and as you can see, we have point of control right here and value area high. Of course, we didn't reach value area high, but what we did instead is we tapped the point of control, and after it we had a massive run to the downside of more than 8%. So that is just brilliant. And yeah, I don't know why you are not watching my videos if you're not, because I'm giving to you these not signals but areas of support and resistance which you should be aware of, I do really think. So yeah, we had a really nice bounce to the downside, and what we can do right now is pull a channel, because what we have is the lows and the highs. So this is right now could be channel where we can rotate basically from the low to the high, from the high to the low, and again to the high, and rotate a little bit right here. This is really possible. And yeah, as I say, trade the range until it breaks. And where we have found support also I've told you this support level yesterday. So what we have is the point of control of this current range. As you can see, at the point of control we had a bounce of 2%, more than a 2%. So that is also really great for a day trading. For scalping, it is just insane profits. But yeah, it is very nice, volatile, and Bitcoin is just respecting the technicals. This is very nice. So right now, let's look at the support and resistance levels which we might have. So first of all, let's start with the support. What I can do is pull a Fibonacci retracement from this low to the high. We have a golden pocket, but basically we can trade alone off of it. We have to find some confluence this level. The confluence which I found is the two levels, the daily and the monthly horizontal levels. Also, what I can do is pull the fixed range from, as you can see, basically we have a range right here, and wouldn't call it a range, but basically you can see that we have support, resistance. So this section we can call it as a range, and again pull our fixed range tool. And right here what you can see is that the point of control is in our golden pocket. So this is another confluence to this level, and the value area low is at the low of this golden pocket. So one could say that this is a zone of support of almost 1%, so not really that big one. So yeah, this is the first support zone which I would be looking for. One thing that you have to keep in mind, that right here, as you can see, we have a very weak market structure. So one could say that if price went to the upside that fast, price can go to the downside also the same, very fast, without finding any support. So this is why I say that don't preset limit orders and wait for the reaction. Set an alarm at this level when price is approaching this level, and get back to the computer and watch the reaction. If there is a reaction, take that trade. If there is not, you just miss the trade and you don't lose money. That is the most important thing, to basically protect your capital and do not lose your money. So yeah, I've talked about my support level, and obviously if we'll go lower, then I will look at the low of the channel, And if it will be lost, I will look at this consolidation area, because also we can do the same thing. Pull a fixed range tool right here, have a point of control, look at our confluence, and make our plan. So right now, let's look at the resistance areas which we might have today. So very simply, what I would do is maybe go to the 15 minutes time frame and take the Fibonacci retracement from this high to the low. So as we can see, I am taking these retracements from swing highs to swing lows. What we have right here is the golden pocket, but I will expand it to 786 Fibonacci level, and you would ask why I am doing it. I am doing it because we have some important levels right here in this section. So as you can see, we have daily point of control right here. Why it is important level? Because basically it is the key level in which the most amount of volume was transacted. And yeah, we can expect trapped longs, for example, at this area, and we can expect a bounce from it. However, we have a daily open level, and with the daily open level, what we have is the order block, 15 minutes order block. It is very important in my opinion, and I will expect at least some kind of reaction, maybe 0.5%, maybe more. But this is basically, again, a zone of resistance. So basically that is it. This is a zone for scalp trading, in my opinion, not a daily day trade. And let's look at another resistance level which we might have again. So what I'll do right now is pull my Fibonacci retracement from another low to the high. Sorry, high from high to low. And this resistance is more for day trading, in my opinion. Why it is like that? Because we have a very important SR flip, in my opinion. If we zoom out maybe to hourly time frame, what you can see is that we had support right here, resistance right here, resistance broken, and basically right now it should act as a resistance because it is very simply an SR flip. As you can see, we had also a support right here, a bounce to the upside. So support broken, it is flipped into resistance. So that is the one confluence to this level. And another thing is the previous day equilibrium. As you can see right here, it is lining up really nicely with a golden pocket. Not perfect, but really nice. So yeah, this is the last resistance for today. I hope that you liked my technical analysis, and if you did, subscribe to my channel, hit that notifications bell, and see you later. Bye.